Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to find lost AirPods. So let's start. So first, go to your settings, tap on your name and tap on Find My. So here, you need to be sure that Share My Location is turned on and Find My Phone is also turned on. Alright, now next open your Find My app and under devices, tap on AirPods. Now here it will show you the location of your AirPods. So you can either play sound to know if your AirPods is just nearby so you can hear the sound, or if it is out of your Bluetooth range, you can tap on directions and you will get directions to your AirPods from your device. Alright, so I hope that is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.